They're going to be running hard. He hasn't hit it as hard as he would normally do so. They're coming back for the second, and he gets there. Gets the big dive in. He's got there in the end. That is outstanding work from Babar Azam. Magnificent stuff from Babar Azam.
Few moments lying on the ground just to gather his thoughts, his breath. He gets up and celebrates in style. He's a man that is very focused at the moment, and that is clearly evident by the amount of runs that he is churning out.
Gone over the top. He's picked that up superbly, and that has gone for 6 runs. That has been absolutely sensational. Babar Azam, beauty. What a performance that is. 2 big hundreds on this venue. Last 2 knocks have been outstanding here. That's appreciated by his teammates and the crowd. Absolutely magnificent stuff for Babar Azam.
Raise your hands, we take it right.